Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change language on 7-Eleven app. So if you're using Android device, then you can just Android or iOS, you have to just change the system preferred language so that you can get the expected language or the preferred language on your 7-Eleven app, just because there's actually no dedicated option on 7-Eleven app to change the preferred language. So first you just need to go to your settings, then you will find system settings, and then go to system settings where you will find language and input. Then you will find this type of interface, and you will find the option to choose other languages. So you just need to tap on these other languages, then you will find all the language listed here. So find the preferred language that you want to use as a primary language on your device. So if you change that language that you want to change to the 7-Eleven app as a primary language on your system, then you can just tap on apply language, and as soon as you tap on it, it will come at the top, and when it's on number one, that's mean the preferred language is now that language. Like I have just set it to France, so this is the French language, so it has just changed all my device language to French language, and you can get that language on your 7-Eleven app. But there's no option to specifically change language for the 7-Eleven apps. So or in iOS you can also get the language preferences, so you can just change the language of your system, so it will change the language of 7-Eleven apps. Or you are in web, then there's a pretty simple way that you can just click on this three dot button here at the top right corner, and you will find translate option here. Now tap on translate, then click on this three dot button here. Now choose another language, and from here you'll find all types of language that you can change to. Like I'm going to change it to for example, let's find the Spanish language. I can find, here it is. Now if I click on translate, then it will start translating. So here you can see it has just translated the language, the actually the Spanish language. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.